Number 7. Read the instructions for us, Penelope, for number 7.
The sum of the measures of the interior angles of a convex polygon is given. Cos by the polygon with a number of sides.
All right. This one is very easy, but if you don't know it, of course, it might be almost like you can't do it. We've got number 7. It's well, let's start 180. And that means the sum of the three angles is 180 degrees. And in general, the formula is this: n minus 2 times 180 is equal to 180 degrees. So you want to find n is what you want to do. The easiest way to do it, and some of my students really like this, and you might too, is just to divide both sides by 180. I don't know if this is the way you did it, Grant, is it?
No, I do it like that.
And when you do, you're going to get a what over here? Going to get just 1, right? So n minus 2 will be 1, and you just add 2 to both sides. So you get...
Don't you plug 180 where n is?
Huh?
Don't you plug in 180 where n is?
No, you don't. In fact, I'm not even going to have you go that far. And as Josh said, this is a triangle because it has 3 sides. N equals 3. It's a triangle. But here's what you do. You simply take the sum you're given, divide it by 180, listen carefully, and add 2 to it. See it? Let's look at it again. You take the sum you're given, divide it by 180, which will give you 1, and you add 2 to it, you get the answer. Let's do another one real quick. Let's do a big one. Let's say 25. This is number 11. Oops. 25, 20 in degrees. That's a sum of all the angles. Yeah, have you done it?
Yeah.
Okay. How did you do it? You just tell me how you did it. Okay. I set up properly, both of you. You take your sum of all your angles divided by 180. You can usually use a calculator. Whatever you get, you add 2 to it. So somebody with a calculator who has not done it, 25, 20, what is that? Divide by 180?
14.
14? All right, so you get 14. And in essence, what this is n minus 2 equals 14. So you just add 2 to that. Grant, you see that?
Yes.
So that's going to be 16 sides, n equals 16. It means we have a 16 gone. Penelope, you follow that? All right. Which one? 21. We'll come in there. Any on the way to 21 that we should look at while we're traveling down? How about, oh, you're at peace with number 16 through 21? Oh, 21 is the one with all those exterior angles. Yeah, we could just add those up together. I'd like you to finish all this worksheet. So let's see. Maybe I'll have Grant do this one. Number 21. You've got it here, Grant. You want to do it? Number 21. And I'll maybe just hold it for you.
Right out what's there.
On the side, all the angles that you add up, all the exterior angles. Is that what you did? Added all the exterior angles?
Yeah,
equal
added them
360?
all up.
Want to try?
So you want me to add them all right now?
Just, yeah, what's this? 20 plus, just write that. 20 plus 6, 20 plus 100. 20. I know, it's kind of strange.
I don't think we have them.
Go to the right. Plus 100. Plus 60. Plus 8x. Plus 6x. We got one more. Plus 6x.
6x.
Plus 6x again. Somebody confirm that for me. We have 6x's
Yes, yeah.
equals, that should be equal to what, Bridget? Sum of the exterior angles is equal to? 360. Nice. I'm glad you remember that. All right. Let's go to another page. Right? Let's go to see the arrow, the right arrow on there. Go up there and click on it. Keep going. Keep going. Make sure. Right here. This one. Click on this one. Okay, somebody add up those numbers for us, and then we'll come back with 8x plus 8x. Maybe we come closer to my laptop.
Well, that's easier.
All right. Somebody add the numbers up. 20 plus, well,
It'd be 20x.
20x. You can write that down, Grant. 20x.
180 plus 20x.
Correct. Got it? 180 plus 20x. Is it working?
I'm just not.
Yeah, right there. 180 plus 20x.
Oh my gosh.
I know it takes a little time, but just keep going. Equals 360.
Oh my goodness. 360.
360. All right. Next step, what do we do next, Alex? Not yet. Jessica said it. Subtract 180 from both sides.
Jessica!
Okay, so we have 20x. Oh yeah. 21 equals 180. And then the last step now, Austin, we're going to do what? No, it's not subtract. Divide.
Divide by 20.
Divide by 20. Go ahead, Grant. Oh, a little bit more. Divide by 20. Yeah, after a while it gets better. So x is equal to? Yeah, it's going to be 9.
I see what I did.
So that's pretty much what you get.
Oh, I did it wrong because I didn't do 360.
Yeah, thank you,
That's
Grant.
smart.
All right. So essentially, when we get exterior angles, just add them up and set them equal to 360, and we can find the x. All right. What else? Let's maybe just do one of these word problems, and I'll just have you finish this up. If you've already finished it, then yeah, maybe you could help somebody else. Let's look at one of these. Let's do number 22 is very easy. What is the measure of each exterior angle of a regular nonagon?
It's a non.
Nonagon, anybody remember?
No angle.
How many sides? Sound like it, doesn't it?
No.
Grant, nonagon, how many sides? How many angles? Somebody
it's
said 9, you're right. So here we come, number 22. We've got 9 angles, 9 sides. So they're asking us for this measure of each exterior angle. It's going to be fairly easy because the sum of all the exterior angles is what? Austin, add them all up. Joey, all the exterior angles would be? 360. And now how many angles do we have in a nonagon? How many? Somebody said it. Luke, how many angles are? How many exterior angles?
9.
It's 9 of them. So 9 times whatever 1 is must be 360. That's the simplicity of it. Who can see that the answer from a mile away? Okay, what is it, Grant?
40.
Pretty close. Divide by 9. Oh yeah, you're right. My mistake. I thought it was wrong, but you're right. X is equal to 40. Each would be 40 degrees. And it kind of looks like this. If you think about the nonagon, there are 9 that look like this. And they said it's regular, so if I could keep going around until I get 9 that are the same. But all I'm looking for is just one exterior angle, maybe right here, and that would be 40 degrees. So real quick, who can tell me what the interior angle would be if the exterior angle is 40 degrees? That's easy. Right?
140.
140 because these have to add up to 180. This one plus this one, they would be complementary. All right. Penelope, take your feet down. All right, I'd like you to go ahead now and finish up that worksheet. If you've not already finished, those who are finished, if you could give a hand to, just raise your hand if you have troubles. Who are the people who are finished?
I'm almost.
Oh, look at that. You finished? All right, Abby is finished, Grant is finished, over here almost finished. Just raise your hand and somebody will come give you a hand, and I'll just go ahead and finish with your test. Where's the, and I keep doing this, I didn't.
Done.